Hey family, welcome back to my channel. This is Smart People, the only channel you got to be this year for your financial freedom. Okay, because here we talk about only the amazing ways to make smart money right in the comfort of your home, with your phone, with your laptop. Hey guys, once you are connected to the internet, you got to be making money. Okay, I'm here to talk about Onpassive, one of the amazing tech giant platform that is taking over the internet space in no time. And guys, if you miss out on Onpassive, hey, you will regret. So I don't want you to regret. That is why I need you to be part of this family just by clicking on that subscribe button right in front of you. You can also choose to hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload such an educational video like this one, you'll be among the first to be notified by YouTube. Guys, you need to be part of this family because this is what is guaranteeing you your financial freedom this year. Okay, now if you are already registered member of Onpassive, this is your welcoming interface when you log in. Okay, now if you are not registered yet onto Onpassive ecosystem, I'm putting the registration link of this the registration link, sorry, into the description of this video. You can click on it and get yourself registered. I also put the video that directs you as to how to register in the description of the video. I'll put the link of that video in the description of this video. You can click on it and then follow the procedures to register and then be part of the channel, so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be among, because Onpassive is very new and we need a lot of education to sail through. Okay. Sorry. Just as I promised you, I was going to make a video to direct you or show you how the old trim is going to be used, or is used on the Onpassive platform. I've come exactly to do that. You know, I'm a man of my words. Once I promise my community, I have to deliver. So quickly, let's go into it now. If you click on the menu, which I'm sure by now everybody know where the menu is, this very one. If you click on it, it will display your dashboard and everything for you. Okay, now old trim is among the products that are here. Okay, among the products that are here, this is it. All right, now what is the use of the old trim? The old trim is used, one, to make long links short. So it's used to shorten links, okay, affiliate links. Second, it is used to customize link. The link can be short, but you want to customize it in a way you want, you can use the old trim. Okay, then thirdly, it's also used to track the link you have used that app to trim or to customize. You want to track the activity of that link, you can use the old trim to do that. So I'm going to show you exactly these three things. There are other things, other uses of the old trim, but for now I'll talk about only this, and as we go on we'll reveal more. So let's go and use the old trim for trimming and other things. So quickly, this is my affiliate link here, so I'm going to copy it by just clicking on this copy icon. When I copy my affiliate link, it is very long, it's lengthy. Okay, so once you click on the copy symbol, it will tell you your link is copied. So yeah, link copied successfully. Then, so it's not only for trimming Onpassive links, I must say, it is for any link from any platform, everywhere you want to use. Okay, now once you copy the link, come and open the old trim wherever you copy the link from, anywhere. Just come and click on the old trim here, log into your Onpassive ecosystem, and then click on old trim. Okay, it will open up for you or load for you, so you give it time to load. Let's give it time to load. All right, so once it loads, it will bring out an interface like this one for you. Okay, it is loading still. Let's give it time to load. All right, so it will bring out this interface for you. Okay, so where you have here, paste your link here, just paste the link you copied, paste it there. Okay, then you skip this one, you not do anything. Then here we says enter custom name. That is where you enter any name you want to. Okay, so I would love to enter something like my username. Okay, so let me say let me put this as my custom name. All right, then the alias, the add alias name, you can add any name there, but it must be a name that has not been used or has not been used by anybody in the system, because if you put a customized name or alias name that has been used, the system will tell you that name is taken, so you have to try later. Okay, so let me edit this my link. Let me put Onpassive there, because I want to be Onpassive, people to know it is Onpassive before my name. Okay, so when you are done putting everything, just click on this one which says trim link. Okay, so just click on trim link and then allow it time to load. Now it says, do you want to enable OTP preview to get leads? What this one means is this: sometimes you click on certain links and then it will ask you to verify your email. Okay, it will ask you to verify your email. That is what they are asking for. So I don't want my guys to verify email when they click on my link. So when you click on the link, it should open straight without you verify your email. So I'll take no for that. But if you want your clients to be okay, so it is successful. If you want your client to verify email before they log into your link, you can just say okay or yes. All right, now if you scroll down, you see the mail here. Let me drag this robot up a bit. This robot is movable. The old chat robot is movable, as those of you who don't know. So if it is blocking your space or your view, you can move it. All right, so if you come here where you have target URL, this is the link. Okay, this is the trim link. So I can now copy it by clicking on this copy symbol here, and then I will copy it and begin to share. Okay, I will copy it and begin to share. Now I want to show you something. All right, so now if you come here, this is my real link from the system. Okay, then this one that I'm about to paste now, sorry, okay, sorry about that. So this one I'm about to paste now is the one I just trimmed, okay, and copy. Now if you look at it, you will see that there are different. Okay, you see that they are different. So this very one is what I have trimmed. Sorry, this very one is what I've trimmed to get this one. Okay, so that is how you use the old trim. Okay, I want to show you another use of the old trim. Okay, wait. All right, so I want to show you something from this account. This one of this is my founder's account. All right, that I've already trimmed the link and I've started using. So I want to show you something about the old trim, how it works. All right, so in this my account, this is the link I have trimmed. Okay, the first link I have trimmed is this one. I want us to look at something about it. This very one that has my username. Okay, you are looking at it now. If you scroll to the right side of it and move the robot here. Okay, Yeah, this one. Talking about this one, the last one, because I've trimmed it twice. You can trim it one link, you can trim it as many times as you want. Okay, now if you scroll to a link and you want to see how the link has performed, just click on the statistic of the link, this symbol here. Okay, so if I click on mine here, let's see how the link, we want to track the activities of the link. So if you click there, this is what opens up for you. Okay, this is what opens up for you. Okay, you see details of the link. Now if you look at it, you will see that the link has 53 clicks, of which 23 are unique. Okay, and then there are 0 brooks, and then 0 QR access. I've not really added QR code to my link. Okay, now if you look at it, we have total clicks country wise. It will display it for you, so you see the countries or the number of countries that the link has been clicked in. Okay, then if you look at it, you see it device wise. You see the number of devices that has used your link or has clicked on your link. The green one is mobile phone, mobile. The pink is desktop, and the light green or whatever color is tablet. So you see the statistics of all that displayed here. Okay, if you keep scrolling, you see it as a count. You see the clicks in country wise. Okay, so if you look at it, you see majority is arranged from the top. Okay, the highest from the top. Majority of my people who visited my links are from Accra. Okay, and all that. So that is how you can use the OTrim to track the activities of your link. Apart from trimming it and sharing it, you can tell, or you will know how many people click it, how many people use it from which country. This is device wise. Okay, browser type. Okay, so those who use Chrome to click on the link, those who use Safari, those who use Opera, those who use Firefox, Microsoft, and others, all are displayed. So you see that the OTrim or the Onpassive product, they are amazing product. Okay, you use it in a very diverse ways. Okay, that is why we are very certain that the Onpassive products are going to be patronized, and then we're gonna make it, guys. We're gonna make it. So I don't want the video to be too lengthy. Let me drop it here. But hey, if you are not part yet, you got to be part. I'm putting the registration link there in the description of the video. I'm putting my Telegram link there in the description of the video. You can get into our Telegram group and get interacted with us so that you'll be part of the big family. And we move it together this year. This year we are talking about financial freedom by the end of 2023. Everybody in my community, not only on this platform, we have other platforms that we talk about smart ways of making money there. So you need to be part of us and then make money the smart way in the comfort of your home. Guys, I will drop the curtain here, and don't forget that I always love you so much. Tomorrow I'll come your way to talk about how to use the Omail. Okay, Onpassive is very new. I'll be teaching you every bit of it as we go on. So we'll talk about the Omail, how to use it, and you see this amazing platform you need to be part of. Guys, I love you so much. Bye bye.